Here's a problem a lot of people don't talk about enough. The moment you hire someone in another country, it gets complicated fast. Payroll in different currencies, contracts that have to match local laws, tax stuff you have never heard of. I went and researched a platform that claims to solve all of that. It is called Deel. And today I'm giving you my honest take. What it does where it stumbles, and whether it is actually worth it. I am Mazino. Let's get into it. So, what impresses me about Deel? The thing that stood out most when I dug into Deel is how much of the boring, complicated stuff it just handles for you. Like when you hire someone, Deel auto generates a contract that already complies with that country's law. Notice period, benefits, termination rules all baked in. You don't have to figure out yourself. And when a country changes its labor law, Deel updates the contract. You don't have to chase that either. They also cover 150 plus countries, which is generally hard to match. So whether you are hiring in Germany, Brazil, or Philippines, they got you covered. The dashboard is also way more approachable than I expected. Usually, enterprise HR tools look like they were designed in 2009. This interface actually looks modern and clean. So here is where deal for short. Alright, now here is where I have to be honest. Deal is not perfect. First, the price. EOR starts at around $599 per employee per month. If you got 10 international hires, that is 6,000 a month just in platform fees. That add up and is a number you need to plan for. Second, customer support. For basic stuff is fine, but if you have a complex country specific compliance question which does add up, the response quality can be inconsistent. That's not great when you are dealing with legal applications. Third, the HR features are still catching up. Things like performance management, detailed reporting, advanced benefits. Deal is still working on it, but it is not quite there yet. If you need a full HR system, you might need another tool alongside it. Deal is not perfect. So, who is Deal actually for? Honestly, it is great for growing companies that are expanding internationally and need to hire fast without the legal headaches. Remote first teams, startup scaling across borders, operation leads who are tired of juggling five different local payroll tools. It is less ideal for large enterprise with complex custom payroll structures or company in markets where the legal nuances are really specific. In those cases, they work better as part of a broader kit, not a standalone solution. So, a quick snapshot on the pricing. Contractor management from about $49 per month, that is for contractor. Employer of record from $599 per month per employee. Global payroll for companies with existing entity is custom pricing. There's a free type for basic contractor management worth starting there before committing. My honest verdict. Deel is one of the most capable platforms out there right now for international hiring. The compliance infrastructure is solid, the country's coverage is hard to beat, and the speed at which you can actually get someone hired and paid internationally, that is the real value. The cost is real. You need to model it carefully before committing. But if you are hiring internationally and getting compliance wrong, carries real legal and financial risks, and it does, then honestly, Deel is probably cheaper than the alternative of getting it wrong. My take: if you are growing internationally, it is worth a serious look. They offer a free demo, link is in the description. Use it to pressure test it against your actual situation. So before I go, this is what I need to say last. That this is my honest take for Deel for this year, that is 2026. Hope it helped you figure out whether it is the right fit. If you have questions, drop them in the comments, and if this was useful, like and subscribe for further straightforward breakdown like this. See you in the next one.